All right, today we're going to be doing our January performance task, and today we'll be doing the one with lollipops. And so right now I just want you to write your name at the top, and I throw my pencil. Mrs. Green. Now I'm going to read it, and remember we have to be thinking about the numbers when we're reading this. First off, Bob has 3 lollipops. Sam also has some lollipops. Together, they have 8 lollipops. How many lollipops does Sam have? Oh, that's a different question. So I note 3. We're going to circle that 3. And then it says Sam has some, but it doesn't say how many Sam has. I guess that's what we're trying to figure out. So there's no number there. It's just something. And then together they have 8. Huh, interesting. So how many lollipops does Sam have? We have to figure that out. So we have to get from 3 to 8 and figure out what that difference is. So I have to underline my question. My question is, how many lollipops does Sam have? We're going to have to figure that out. And I need to find my action word. My action word is together. So I know it's going to be some sort of an addition problem, maybe something like that. So let's get on our little number line right here. And these things say we're going to solve this 3 ways. We're going to solve it using numbers, we're going to solve it using pictures, and we're going to solve it with words. And down at the very bottom it says Sam has blank lollipops. So we're going to have to figure that out. So let's do the first thing. It says Bob has 3. So I'm going to go to my number line and I'm going to find that number 3. And I'm going to put a circle around it like that because that's what, and I'll put a B right there. Bob has 3. Sam also has some, but we don't know how many Sam has. But together at the end they have 8. So they have 8 at the end. So I'm going to put another one right here and I'm going to put together here. Because they're going to be there together. Together they have 8. We have to find out how many is in between 3 and 8 to get our answer. So we know down here for our number problem that Bob has 3. We don't know how many Sam has, so that's the unknown. 3 plus some number that we don't know yet equals 8, because they have 8 all together. So we have to figure out 3 plus what equals 8. So let's use the number line here to figure it out. We go, Bob has 3, so let's count up to see how many more it takes to get to 8. Are you ready to make our bumps? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took 5 more to get to 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's draw that picture. So Bob has 3 lollipops. 1, 2, 3 lollipops. But we know at the end they're going to have 8. So there's 3. We need to get up to 8. So 3. Now let's do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8 lollipops altogether. 3 of these are Bob's, and the rest are Sam's. Let's count and see how many Sam has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the number that we were missing. Sam has 5 lollipops. And that's how we get our answer. We have to look at our question and listen carefully to what they're asking. Because if I would have just taken that number 3 and that number 8 and stuck them together, we would have gotten a completely different answer than what we got. So we have to listen to what they're asking us. All right, guys, thank you for using your number line and following along with me. And I think I want to color my lollipops. Oh, I think I'll have some blue lollipops for Bob And I'll have some orange ones for Sam. All right, we're all finished with our CGI problem or our performance task problem. And you guys are all finished for the day. For math, anyway.